Hi guys, welcome back to the AmenCornerRider channel. I have a new goodie I want to try out and I want to show it to you, see what you guys think. I saw this in my BMW MOA magazine and I think it's going to be really good. It's called Smart Brake Light, a smarter way to be seen. So let's check it out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Little alignment tool. Quick start guide. Make sure there's no parts in there. So here's the actual piece. Power button. Quick press. Oh, lovely. All right, and then I did ask on the website if it will fit on my helmet, and they said yes, that he has a GT Air, and it goes right back there. Oh, hi, Gary.
Hi, Alex.
I'm just making a vlog on this new brake light. Check it out. Is that amazing?
It's not attached to Bluetooth?
No wires, no wires, no apps.
As seen on Shark Tank.
Yeah, Shark Tank.
Well, good job.
Okay, I'm going to do a little installation, so I think you just hold it down to power off. Okay, here is your mount and your charger. Alcohol prep pad. Okay. Hey, Gare, do you think I need to take my Bible verse off?
Yeah, probably should get more contact.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. All right, I'm going to remove this and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, I'm back. I got my stickers off. I didn't take that one off, but there was like a showy sticker there that when I heated up my sticker, it kind of came off too. So, all right, so wipe with alcohol, pad, get nice and clean. So this goes like that, and that's going to go like that. I moved out to the garage because Gary's juicing our celery juice. Okay, it's really easy. Just peel off, the usual things you use on your GoPro mounts. All right, I held that for 60 seconds. And then this just kind of clicks in. So, there it goes. Just clicks right in. And then, quick press. Lovely. So apparently the way this works is, like I said, no wires, no apps. As soon as your bike starts to slow down, whether you're braking or just engine braking, this will light up. And I think there's another setting too. I'll have to read the directions, but we're going to go for a ride, and I'm going to put one on Gary's helmet.
All right, babe. All right, I just want to get a shot of your new brake-free. Ooh, very cool. Very cool, Gary. All right, we'll see how that works on the road. Yay.
Yay, us.
A ride with my man.
Yay, us. Okay, so when I brake, tell me if it works.
So you don't even have to brake. As soon as you slow down, watch. So Gary's going to slow down right now, and his light came on.
Wow.
So it's not even braking, sweetie. It's just your engine braking.
Well, it's that I'm thinking about braking that activates it. That's the only thing I don't like is when you had to plug it into my, my brain, that electrode in my brain. I didn't like that.
All right.
Sure. Okay, I'm thinking about braking.
No, it comes on before you brake, sweetheart.
You got a lot of gravel and
mischief.
Mischief. Okay, I think they want us
to go. Okay.
And mischief over there.
Yeah, it's cool. As soon as you let off the throttle, it lights up.
That was smart. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
I wonder if, I'm feeling a little frisky, like I want to raise a little racket with you. You know what I mean? I wonder if it blinks then.
I'm not sure what you mean by that. Okay, so you just braked and your helmet did not come on, and you're slowing down and it's not coming on.
Should I? Let me brake.
Yeah, it did now. Okay, it came on now.
Well, maybe it's not. Maybe there's subtleties.
All right, I'm going to go first.
Okay.
You keep an eye on my helmet, and then at the next stop sign, I'll let you go first again. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, I think we're all clear.
Yep.
What?
Went on.
Good. Oh, that's because I closed my throttle to shift.
Okay, brake.
Brake? Okay, I'm going to just engine brake.
It went on.
Okay. So there's something not right with yours. Okay, so now I'm going to engine brake right now.
On.
Yes, okay, mine's working. Okay, now I'm engine braking right now.
On.
Okay, mine's working then. Okay, I'm not even using the brake. I'm just releasing the throttle. And that's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
So you don't get rear-ended, Now, what do you see right now?
Off.
Yeah, but do you see like two little lights, one on top and one on the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to brake.
On. Yeah. On. Off. On.
Maybe it just doesn't deal well with subtle slowing down. It only is,
Yeah.
which I guess is okay.
Copper. Chippy.
Buzz. Where the hell are all these people coming from?
I don't know.
What the hell? Oh, for Pete's sakes.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
Who's this guy? Look at this big brutish-looking fellow.
Maybe he might be able to hear you.
Hey, you can't outrun me. These people have tourists written all over, don't they?
Absolutely.
Hey, when I go to their town, they probably say the same thing about me.
Mm-hmm. So, one of the bigger lady YouTubers, motorcycle YouTubers, is moving to our area from the Bay Area.
What?
Yeah. She hasn't made a vid in a while, so.
How do you know she's moving?
Because she announced it on Instagram.
Why is she moving down here?
I don't know. Anyway, it was pretty cute. She said,
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I thought you were...
Oh, no. I was just going to let you know that she's moving here. She's excited. And I said, well, I came down here to go to Cal Poly, and I never left. Is it our turn?
Yeah.
And she said, you can be my slow mom. I said, okay.
Your slow mom?
Yeah. She says, you can be my slow mom.
How old is she?
Oh, she's probably like, I don't know, maybe like 27, 28.
Oh, she is young.
Oh, yeah.
Well, maybe we'll see her around.
Yeah. Oh, she says she wants to go riding with me. We'll see. She's got a BMW, too. I met her a long time ago at Cycle Gear. She came down here and she went to Cycle Gear.
Does her boyfriend ride?
Oh, yeah.
Man, those are good steaks last night.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You cooked them perfectly.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Oh,
my baby. Yeah, I like that. It kind of catches your attention, babes.
Good.
Which is what you want, huh, baby?
That's what I want.
I know.
I like to catch attention.
Well, hey there. Hi. The motorcyclist behind me.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a Harley Davidson.
All right, here we go.
What kind of town have we come to? The tractors seem to have the right-of-way. Going back to Orange County.
What are you doing?
You haven't seen my helmet.
Your helmet is for braking, not for accelerating. Wow, it is windy. Guess what animal? Oh, rabbit?
Hi guys, so quick update. I emailed the Break Free inventors and told them about the problem we were having, and they suggested doing a hard reset, which I did do, and now it works great. You just have to hold the button down for like 10 or 15 seconds and it resets it, and it's been working great ever since. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.